Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, collective. So, this is your timeless love reading. Okay, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin, pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet and sa ating Evil Eye ring and sa ating Evil Eye necklace, just message me. Okay? For more info. Okay? So, let's start. Collectives. Oo. So, kuha ako dito ng energy. Okay? Okay. Ano bang meron? Tingnan natin. For the collectives. No zodiac sign needed. Okay? So, ito muna. Okay. Okay. So, sabi niya, I'm so attracted to you. Okay. So, there's attraction here. Ano pa? Sige. Ano pa? So, attracted. Yeah, may attraction. What else? I hope that you can forgive me one day. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Collectives. Ha? Ano tong I hope that you can forgive me one day? Clarify ko to. Okay? Clarify ko to. May chance kasi ito, nakakuha ko ng energy rito, collectives na, yes, they're attracted pagdating sa'yo, but yeah, they're not telling you. Okay? Hindi na sinasabi, hindi sila nagpaparamdam or what. Tingnan natin. I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, parang yun yung pinanghihingi nyo ng tawad. Parang ganyan. So, let's see. Yeah! Yes! The moon. This is secrets. This is hidden. Okay? So, this person, or meron dito na nagkakagusto sa'yo. Okay? Some of you, your intuition is telling you that this person is may something pagdating sa'yo. But, yeah, makikita mo yun or mararamdaman mo yun kahit sabihin nila na wala or whatsoever. Okay? Pwede yun ang pinanghihingi nila ng tawad. Like, okay, I hope that you can forgive me one day. Like, 'di ba? Kasi naging sinikreto nila na gusto ka nila or yeah. 'Di ba? Tingnan natin, ha. Ano bang meron sa taong 'to? May nakita ako, pwedeng ito is katrabaho mo. Katrabaho, okay? Hi, I'm seeing here specific story. Okay, anong meron sa taong ito? Ha, collectives, anong meron sa kanya? The Six of Wands, yes. A lot of attraction. A lot of, yeah, you're giving this person is giving you a lot of attention, I guess. A lot of attention. Andiyan yung paghanga. Okay, so ito yun. Ito yun, ha? Okay. So, saan ka ba? Ano itong Six of Wands? The Two of Wands. They're fickle. Yeah, fickle. They're like, hindi mo mawari. Oo, the Two of Wands. Hindi mo mawari. Actually, sabihin nating nakakausap mo to. Pero hindi sila open. Yeah, see, the communication card. The Page of Pentacles. Hindi sila open. Regarding sa emosyon. This is a lot of effort. This is, sabihin nating action. Parang action. Makikita mo sa action niya. Some of them, yeah, yun nga, sabi ko, fickle. Like, nandyan minsan, pero mamaya aalis. Okay? They're not, consistent, no? Pagdating sa, ah, action din nila pagdating sa inyo. So, nagkakaroon ng confusion. Okay, so nako-confuse ka pagdating sa kanya. Pero actually, yun nga, naiisip mo, parang may something siya sa akin. Parang ganyan. And yes, your intuition's telling you na yes, meron. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, talagang bata to. Or yeah, sabihin nating immature lang. Okay? Or sabihin natin hindi nila pa kaya na, yeah. Ang lakas ng energy rito na nakakausap mo itong taong to, pero lagi nilang nila itong dinideny kung itinatanong mo, pero, yes, okay. Ayaw kong kunin yung emosyon. Kasi, yeah, meron eh. Okay? Anong emosyon mo sa kanila? Anong emosyon mo? You're confused. Yeah, you're confused. Okay? Tingnan natin. See? Oh, the Two of Cups. Nararamdaman mo rin, syempre. And then, uy, you want this person then? Yes. Oo. Pero hindi, hindi pwede. Like, sabihin natin, hindi pa kayo magkarelasyon nito. Hindi pa kayo magkarelasyon nito. Ano to, collectives? Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Pinapasakit nyo pa. Yes, happy Valentine's. So, diba? Oo. So, yeah. You like each other. Yes. You like each other. Wag na tayong magpaligoy-ligoy pa din eh. Ha? Okay? Wag kang magpatumpik-tumpik. Ah, diba? Tumpik-tumpik. Oh. Yeah, you want this. You want this person. You want this, kung ano bang meron sa inyo. Yeah. Andyan yung challenge eh, diba? Yes. Nandyan yung thrill. Oo. Pag nagkaamin na, wala na yan. Inunahan. Okay, tingnan natin. Oh my God. So, anong next action niya? Tingnan natin. Okay, anong magiging next action ng taong ito? O, diba? Pati ako na, na-excite. Okay. The Eight of Swords in reverse. Ay, speaking the truth. Oo, like answering the question. O, diba? Oo, the Eight of Swords in reverse. Yes. Kung may kailangang sagutin, sasagutin. Tingnan natin. The Justice in reverse dahil alam nila na hindi na dapat itago ang dapat tinatago. They're causing a lot of drama here. Yes. Andito yung sinasabi ko, this is like a challenge. Okay? This is like, sabihin natin, yung hindi natin makita, yun ang gusto natin eh. Di ba? Yes! Oo. Lalo na pagdating sa, eto, hindi ko nilalahat sa mga lalaki. Gusto nila yun, yung parang nasa-challenge sila. Ayaw na to ng mga yung mga makakarelasyon nila is lagi nandyan. Yes, siyempre. Days of Swords Universe. Okay. So, kahit ayaw ko man na may makuwang energy ng, ang tawag dito, third party. Okay, papalawakin natin ang third party ha. Okay, kaya hindi niya magawa eh. Kaya hindi magawa ng taong ito na maging totally open. Okay? The Justice is in the reverse. So, alam niya na pwedeng makagawa ito ng kasalanan. Ha? So, palawakan natin ang third party. Kasi third party para sa akin is something or someone na nakakasira, no? Sa connection or sa union ng isang relasyon. Okay? So, So, ano tong justice in reverse? Ayoko na i-clarify. Oo, wag na. Kasi masyado na magiging specific. Okay? So, tingnan na lang natin. Ano magiging outcome nyo? Ano magiging outcome nyo ng taong ito? Papangunahan na natin. Sige. Okay. The Hermit. What's with the Hermit? Yes. Okay. Okay. The Ace of Swords in reverse. I'm seeing this kung may third party involved. Ha? Itatago ito. Tong connection na to. Kasi, what? Forbidden. You're like the forbidden fruit. Oo. Pagdating sa taong ito. And ganun rin siya pagdating sa'yo. Some of you. Okay? Okay? So, sasabihin, pwedeng magsabi itong taong ito ng something regarding sa kanyang situation. Okay? Some of them talagang may someone. So, that is why nandito yung kailangan nilang itago, kailangan nilang maging secret, i-secret yung kanilang emosyon pagdating sa'yo dahil kailangan. Ha? 'Di ba may twist? Oo, pati ako na-twist. So that is why they're acting fickle. Like, the Two of Wands, this is being distant. Pero, maya-maya nandyan ulit. Tas maya-maya hindi na naman. Okay? And ikaw, natututunan mo itong magustuhan. Natututunan mong ma-attach sa kanya. May chance na kapag attached na kayo sa isa't isa, may pag-open na ng kung anong dapat i-open. Okay? And kapag nangyari na yung pag-open, ang nakikita kong outcome is the Hermit and the Ace of Swords in reverse, which is isolating or withdrawing from the situation. Why? Because, hindi pwede. Okay, meron ditong sabihin nating maraming hindi pa nasasabi. Okay, maraming kailangan iwasan, maraming kailangan alisin. Okay? So, kasi the Ace of Swords, this is lies. May chance na kung kayo is sabihin natin hindi nyo magawang alisin yung isa't isa, title ko dito, the forbidden fruit. Ha? Oo, ito yung gusto nyo yung isa't isa, nagustuhan nyo yung isa't isa, pero bawal. So, nakakuha ko ng outcome sa inyo na pwedeng hindi ito magtagal. Okay, so if your person is acting fickle, acting aloof, so, may possibility na meron silang hindi sinasabi sa inyo, collectives. Okay? May chance na meron siyang someone or may chance na may something lang talaga na hindi pwede. Kaya, or may something lang kaya hindi kayo pwede. Okay? So, Yes, yo. Umaasa ako talaga na magkaroon kayo ng magandang reading. Pero this is like sabihin nating always a gabay, kapag yung person mo, nagugustuhan mong tao is hindi talaga focus sa'yo, there's something wrong. No? So, you have to question. Okay? Them. Okay? Question them. Kung hindi sila sumagot, nothing to worry. You just need to step back. Step back and then look, for their next action. Kung may gagawin ba sila or what. Yun lang naman You don't need any kind of answer coming from them. No? Oo, para malaman mo kung ano ba talaga. Eh kasi kung sasagot yung mga yan, malalaman mo ba kung totoo yun? 'Di ba? Malalaman mo ba kung totoo ang mga isasagot nila? Dun ka sa action. Okay? So, yeah, parang gabay nga ito. Kung magkakaroon ka man. So, yan yun. I'm so attracted to you. Yes, attraction. Just plain attraction. And I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, siguro, nagkaroon kayo ng connection nito. Okay? Kung magkaroon kayo ng connection nito, darating sa puntong magsosorihan kayo. Why? Kasi maraming nakatago. Hindi niya sasabihin ito. Hindi niya parang ibubunyag agad. 'Di ba? Gustong ma-experience muna kung ano bang meron. Yeah. Oo. Okay. So, anyway. Tingnan natin ito na sa ilalim. Yeah, the King of Pentacles universe. This is someone who is, sabihin nating, meron ng something from their past. Okay? Or sa current situation nila. Okay? So, they're not being responsible sa mga kung anong meron. Okay? And yes, hindi rin siya naging responsible sa'yo dahil hindi naman siya talaga nagsabi ng kung anong dapat sabihin agad. Parang tinry ka muna, parang ganyan, before niya sabihin kung anong meron sa kanya. I can't. So, yeah, outcome ninyo is separation. Okay? Yeah, this is separation dahil hindi pwede. So, kaya ganyan. I hope that you can forgive me one day. Well, so yun, ang aking reading for you. Collectives, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.